Okay, so here's my review on this Air Choice Space Heater. Um, I am pleasantly surprised. This is actually an incredible quality space heater. I was not expecting this, but it's really, really good quality. And I like that you can move this around. You can point the air up, point it down, and it has this little thing here, latch, whatever it is, to stop it from falling, from this little thing here from the heater to actually face down to prevent overheating on the floors or things of that nature. It is a fan, and then these are the two I guess like the heat levels. So this one is not as hot and this one's really hot, and then you have high and low just depending on what you want. But let me tell you, immediate heat, and I'm talking about good heat, very hot. So, read the instructions carefully, read the warning labels carefully, make sure that you use this the right way, because this is actually a very good quality heavy duty. It's a nice, this top part here is plastic, but this here is like metal. The rest is metal. The stand is metal. It has a good weight to it to keep it down so it's not falling over. So, yeah, I'm actually blown away by this heater for the price point. Like, I can't even believe it. This is an amazing quality for the price point. And the fact that you can use this indoor outdoor is even better. So yeah, really cool, really, really cool.
Well, it's not very loud, which I like. There was a tiny rattle in the beginning, but I guess that was just heating up. I'm not a huge fan of where the cord is, but I guess as long as I keep it over to the side, it should be good. And it is kicking out a lot of heat, and it's only on, well, now it's on half. I am 2 feet away from it, and it's actually really warm. So I think this is going to be just perfect. I'm going to turn it down to low and then lower the fan. So it will auto kick on once it gets to where it's too cold for the temperature you set it at. And of course it does have an anti-tip over function and a fan only function. So a pretty nice little gadget, suitable for colder temps outside, but in a garage or in your... I got this for my greenhouse, and I'm hoping it does a good job this year. It doesn't seem to be drying out the humidity too much, so that's really nice. And I will update if I see any changes. But right now, I think it's worth the money, and I really think it's very nice, and it's kicking out a ton of air and hot, heated air, even on low. So definitely decent.